Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So today we are going to learn about our video sensing snowman project. So this is really very good project and I hope you will enjoy this project. So the very first thing I will run this application, I will show you what you will get your desired result. Let me just click on the flag. You have to just apply your motion here. So the snowman will follow this. Once you will apply your motion, you have to move your hand, or else you can move yourself also. So even you will get your snowman motion part like that. So that thing we are going to see how you can do. Okay. So the very first thing, you have to start your scratch. And if you don't know how you can start your scratch, how you can log in here, so you can check our previous videos you will get. Or else otherwise I will give you the link in your description box. You can just check that, okay? So the very first thing, you need to just go to your sprite. You have to search for snowman. Only just search for snowman, you will get that. Okay, and after that you have to add your three more sprite, which is snowflake. So once you will add your snowman and snowflake, after that we will start our coding part. So for our snowman, what we are going to do, we have to just click on add extension. You have to add your video sensing like this. Okay, so you are able to open your video once you will add this extension, which is a video sensing. Now what we want, like when flag is clicked, we have to set our snowman rotational style, which is left to right. Like from left to right, we want to set that. In the forever means once we will run the application, so forever again and again, we want only one thing. If your video motion is greater than 10, like if you will move your hand like this, or if you will move yourself like this, so your snowman will move with 10 steps. And you can just change the costume also for your snowman, and if there will be age, so we have to move our snowman because here you will get your ages. So as you can see in the scratch, total we have 4 age. So if snowman, for example, snowman will start from here, if snowman will reach here, so this is your age. Again we have to move the left and right like that. Okay, after that, when in the forever, if your video motion on sprite, if that is greater than 50, so what we are going to do, we have to set the motion. So you have to just come to the variable, you have to make a variable, write down your variable name motion, and then we have to set that motion to your video sprite like this. Okay, so what will happen, your snowman will move. After that, when flag is clicked in the forever, we have to set the snowman. For snowman, we have to set only motion, nothing else. Now, this is our first part, like how we can set our snowman. Now we are going to see our second part, which is snowflake. How you can fall down the snowflake at random position. This is not a fixed position, as you can see. So we need to just click on our snowflake. We have to start from here. Like when flag is clicked. So initially we have to hide your snowflake. But after some second we have to show that. So now what we want, we have to go to the random position because this is not our fixed one. This is the random position. You have to set your Y to 180 because in your Scratch, if you will see this, this is your coordinate system, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. This is our positive x, this is our negative x, this is a positive y, this one is the negative y. If you want any sprite, we'll start with here. Means you have to add your y, because this is our y-axis and this is our positive y-axis. And if you know the scratch value in y-axis, we have 360. This is a fix. So if you will divide by 2, because we have our minus and positive, you will get 180 to minus 180. Okay. So if you want to fall down from here, you have to set y to 180, and you have to repeat this, for example 72, or you can add 100, or you can add 50 according to your choice. And then we have to change this y value to minus 5, because we have to fall down. Okay. Then we will see our next part. When flag is clicked in the forever, again we have to set our variable to the motion. So here we can set your variable like your video motion. We can just set that. So for every snowflake, we have to do the same coding. Okay. And for your snowman, you need to just apply your video motion. So this is very small project. Try this and please share your project link in the chat, in our chat section. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take